Our Bicol University officials.
We also welcome our Assistant Professor Jocelyn T. Eterian. And holding the university base is Professor Babes L. Tong.
Our university president, Dr. Babyboy Benjamin de Neves III, together with our guest speaker for this event. And now please remain standing for the entrance of colors by the BU ROTC unit. Let us all honor the national colors as our ROTC cadets proudly present them.
To lead us in singing our national anthem, Lupang Hinirang, we have the BU cultural groups.
Magiging sa manlulupi, di ka pasisi. Sa dagat at puno, sa simoy at sa langit mo baka. Nagilahang ko na tawid sa paglayang minamahal. Pag-isat lang watawat ko'y magumpay na nagpinigil. Ang bituin at araw niya kailan pa may makinig. Lupa ng araw, sa tubo ang hitaya na
Let us all stay in a spirit of reverence as we now proceed to the doxology.
Pray you'll be yours. Watch us where we go. Tell us to be wise. Times when we don't know. Let this be your prayer. When we lose our way. Lead us to a place. Guide us with your praise. Give us space so we'll be safe. Sogniamo un mondo senza violenza, un mondo di giustizia e speranza. Ognuno viene a nostro vicino, simbolo di pace, di fraternità. La forza che ci dà riesce a desiderio. Watch us from above. Oh, non di amore. Che ciò will find. Ognuno dentro sé. Ognuno sopra. Let this be your prayer. Let this be your prayer. Just like every child. Just like every child. Need to find a place. Guide us with your grace. Give us space so we'll be safe. Hello, Frederick. Ragazzi, sto. Sento quietezza. You may now be seated. To formally welcome us all in this prestigious event and to set the tone of the activity, let us hear a welcome address from our very own Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Maria Julieta B. Porres, to be represented by Professor January M. De Chavez.
To the members of our Board of Regents who are here this morning, of course, to our SUC President 4, heading our administration, our OSAS family, our guests, the parents here, our BU family, the deans and directors, and the CSAS, our awardees, and their proud families, either by blood or bond. A blessed and joyful morning to everyone. On behalf of the Office of the Vice President for Academic Affairs and our beloved VPAA, Dr. Maria Julieta B. Bores, who is attending an equally significant prior commitment, it is my distinct honor and privilege to welcome all of you to this meaningful occasion, our annual celebration of excellence, service, and leadership. Allow me to read her welcome remarks for all of you. Today, we gather not only to recognize achievement, but to reaffirm the values that define us as a university for humanity. Values of productive scholarship, transformative leadership, collaborative service, and distinctive character. These awards are more than medals and certificates. They are milestones in the lives of our students and organizations, hard-earned and deeply deserved. To our outstanding students who will be awarded this morning, our President's Listers, and all academic awardees, your resilience, brilliance, and dedication are truly commendable. You represent the best of what Bicol University stands for. To our student organizations, advisors, cultural groups, and scholars, you are the lifeblood of our academic community, keeping it vibrant, value-laden, and forward-moving. Let this ceremony be a reminder that while we honor accomplishments today, we also celebrate the promise of what lies ahead. As we continue to uphold academic excellence aligned with our institutional goals and the Sustainable Development Goals, may we never grow weary of striving, serving, and dreaming para sa kapwa, para sa bayan, at para sa Diyos. This year's theme, Life Champions and Future-Ready Scholars of the 21st Century, is a bold reminder that academic excellence alone is not enough. Our world demands thinkers who are not only intelligent, but also empathetic, ethical, and grounded in values. In Bicol University, we are not in the business of producing mere intellectuals. We are forming the whole persons. We are not raising geniuses who lack compassion, nor champions who forget character. Our mission is to mold learners who will lead with integrity, act with courage, and live with a purpose. As what the apostle wrote, whatever you do, work at it with all your heart, as working for the Lord and not for human masters. And as Jesus echoed, let your light shine before others, that they may see your good deeds and glorify your Father in heaven. May these words remind us that true excellence is not only about what we achieve, but about who we become and how we honor God and serve others through our gifts. And so, to all our awardees, may today's recognition fuel your commitment to live a life of meaning, guided not just by your brilliance, but by your values. Because in this university, we believe that that greatness is not measured by medals, but by the impact you leave on others. As we cultivate future-ready scholars, we also nurture champions of the Filipino core values, maka-Diyos, makatao, makakalikasan, at makabansa. These values are not abstract ideals, but lived principles that guide how we learn, how we lead, and how we serve. Once again, welcome to this celebration of excellence and commitment. Padagos, BUEño, mabuhay ang Bicol University.
Thank you very much to Dr. Boras and, of course, to Professor January Chavez for representing our Vice President. At this point, we will be looking forward to hearing the opening remarks from our gracious President of Bicol University. We have Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin D. Nedres III.
Thank you very much. To the Chair of the Board of Regents, the Honorable CHED Commissioner Ethel Agnes Pascua Valenzuela, to our Board of Regents members who are here, special mention to the Alumni Regent, our University Professor, Dr. Alex Nepomuceno, Deans and Directors, our special guests coming from Audal, Professor Jenkin and Dr. Rojas, our guest speaker who will be introduced later, the Dean of the Office of Student Affairs and Services, Professor Jocelyn Imperial, and the other directors, coordinators of Student Affairs and Services, STEAM faculty, University Student Council officers, College Student Council officers, and other society, university-based and college-based student officers. Our dedicated students, proud parents and guardians, other honored guests and friends, sarong maimbong na aga po sa Indogabos. It is with immense pride, joy, and gratitude that I welcome you all to our annual university recognition of 2025 GAWAD BUEño, a day set aside to celebrate not just academic achievements, but the determination, creativity, and resilience that define the spirit of our university community. It is an honor to gather here and celebrate not only excellence, but embodying the essence of our team, life champions and future-ready scholars of the 21st century. Today, we shine a well-deserved spotlight on BUeños who have excelled, whether in the classroom, in research, in leadership, in service, or in culture and arts. These accolades are not merely symbols of excellence. They represent countless heads-on and the unyielding pursuits of personal and collective growth. To our dear students, this day belongs to you. You are the reason why we gather in celebration. You've proven that passion and persistence lead to greatness. Your achievement inspires us all to dream bigger, work harder, and support each other more fiercely. To our professors, mentors, staffs, and families, your unwavering guidance, encouragement, and belief in our student have been the foundation of their success. On behalf of Bicol University, thank you for continuously being our partners in education. Our honorees have faced an ever-evolving world full of complexity and challenges, and risen above with courage and adaptability. You balance coursework with real-world problems. You master both critical thinking and compassion. You are not just students, you are change makers in the making. To you, our BUeño future-ready professionals and scholars, you are primed to shape the 21st century, not merely to succeed in it, but to lead it with bold ideas, responsible innovation, and commitment to the greater good. To our faculty, staff, and families, thank you for lighting the way. Your mentorship, patience, and belief in these students have helped raise the leaders of tomorrow. Let this ceremony not just celebrate achievements already earned, but ignite the fire for even greater ones ahead. May this day remind us all that future doesn't just happen. We build it scholar by scholar, one dream at a time. Welcome and congratulations to our champions of life and the future. May today serve not just a recognition of past accomplishments, but as a launching pad for even greater things ahead. Let this moment remind us that excellence is not a destination, but a journey, and we are privileged to walk together. Diyos ang magbalos sa gabos, padagos lang po kapwa ko mga BUEños.
Thank you very much, Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin D. Nebres III. As you have congratulated our awardees, we will now proceed to one of the event's highlights. Presenting plaques of recognition, medals, and certificates to the university's outstanding students.
These awards honor the outstanding achievements of individual students who have excelled in scholarship, leadership, and service. And without further ado, let us call on once again on stage Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin de Nebres III to be assisted by, of course, the Representative Professor January de Chavez, Professor Jeslyn Imperial, the Acting Dean of BU OSAS, Dr. Salvacion El Villaferte, Director of the Institutional Student Programs and Services Division. Of course, we have here Professor Dave Stonga, the Board Secretary. And likewise, partner, we will be requesting the presence of the following deans: Dr. Jeanette S. Ibo, Dr. Karina L. Sales, Dr. Dimson M. Rivero, and Professor Jocelyn E. Serrano to join us as we award the following.
We will be awarding the following: Excellence Award in Scholarship, Excellence Award in Leadership, and Excellence Award in Service.
Let's not forget the most outstanding student, ma'am. And of course,
Our university outstanding students will also be awarded the Dr. Mirna Leona Audal Award of Excellence with a cash grant of 5,000 pesos. To give the award, may we request Mr. and Mrs. Cleto and Feles Trillian, the chair of the BU Alumni Endowment Management Council Foundation Scholarship. However, they will be represented by Dr. Flor Jenkins and Dr. Obdulia Rojas. In addition, they will also be given medals from Senator Manny Villar Excellence Award.
And of course, while we are still waiting for our university officials to be on stage, once again, as early as now, we are extending our congratulations to all the awardees in their academic journey, of course.
How about giving our awardees a resounding applause?
And partner, I guess this is now the moment we will be proceeding with the awarding. Most outstanding university student in scholarship is given to Divine B. Salomon, the Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Financial Management from the BU College of Business Economics and Management.
Most outstanding university student in leadership goes to James Harold S. Lim from Bachelor of Science in Physical Education from Bicol University Institute of Physical Education, Sports, and Recreation. We will also request our dear parents to accompany our most outstanding students. Again, we welcome on stage the most outstanding university student in leadership, James Harold S. Lee, from Bachelor of Science in Physical Education, from the Bicol University Institute of Physical Education, Sports, and Recreation.
And of course, the most outstanding university student in service, Catherine Ann O. Hapo, from the Bachelor of Science in Nursing from Bicol University College of Nursing.
Let us join our hands together to the most outstanding university student, Shanri E. Espiritu, from the Bachelor of Science in Computer Science from Bicol University College of Science.
And there you have it, friends, the most outstanding university student in scholarship, in leadership, in service, and of course, the most outstanding university student. Once again, palakpakan po natin ang ating mga bigating mga estudyante ng Bicol University.
Another sounding applause, please.
Seeing them actually to be on stage reminds me of my college journey. Although I wasn't able to receive an award, this is such an, of course, a happy situation to see some people succeeding in their journey as students.
For sure, their parents are so
Of
proud.
course. Out loud. They're very happy with the achievements of their children. Definitely, they will be showcasing support in their endeavors. And partner, of course, while we are waiting for our officials to be on their seat, I hope everybody's doing fine on their seat at this moment. All right, so as we continue to be inspired by our awardees, we now turn our attention to our esteemed guest speaker. To introduce our keynote speaker, we would like to welcome Dr. Salvacion L. Villaferte, Director of the Institutional Student Programs and Services Division in the Office of Student Affairs and Services.
Good morning, everyone. I'm very honored to give the introduction for our guest of honor, Sydney Joseph L. Torrenuevo. In the quiet town of Daet, where narratives of perseverance are woven into the everyday, emerged a young individual whose ideals, intellect, and integrity would later distinguish him as one of Bicol's most promising youth leaders. It is with great pride that we welcome him today as our guest of honor, Sydney Joseph L. Torrenuevo. A proud member of the LGBTQIA+ community, Mr. Torrenueva grew up with a voice that many attempted to silence. Yet, instead of diminishing, his voice found direction and power, grounded in purpose and the pursuit of service. From his formative years at Daet Elementary School, where he first discovered his passion for leadership and public service, he has since grown into a national voice for youth empowerment and excellence. His journey in Bicol University began as a member of the pioneer batch of the BUCELS Senior High School under the Humanities and Social Sciences strand. Even at that early stage, Mr. Torrenueva already exhibited exceptional promise, graduating with highest honors and earning distinctions in both communication arts and the social sciences. Beyond academic accolades, he excelled in public speaking, debate, and sports, always leveraging these opportunities to serve and inspire. As a student of political science at the College of Social Sciences and Philosophy, Mr. Torrenueva's dedication remained steadfast. He graduated magna cum laude and was conferred the highest honor as most outstanding graduate of Bicol University in 2022. Don't he deserve a round of applause? From his first year, he actively took part in student governance and service, serving as president of the BUCSSP Red Cross Youth, a junior counselor in the College Student Council, and an officer in various university-wide organizations, eventually becoming a member of the BU Legislative Council. He remained consistent academic excellence, earning him the distinction of President's Lister and BUCSSP's Most Outstanding Student for 3 consecutive years. By his sophomore year, he held even more significant positions, including Director for Social Sciences of the BU UNESCO Club, Vice President for Internal Affairs of BU Magenta, and Vice President of the University Red Cross Youth Council. He was also inducted as the 10th Chancellor of the prestigious BU Order of the Blue Feather Society, the university's official honor society. When the COVID-19 pandemic disrupted many avenues for growth, Mr. Torrenueva rose to the challenge. He represented the university in national and international virtual competitions, and under his leadership, the Blue Feather Society was awarded Most Outstanding University-Based Organization in 2021. His continued excellence was further recognized when he was named Most Outstanding University Student of Bicol University and one of the 10 outstanding scholars of the Philippines in the same year. Another round of applause, please. In his final year, he focused on legacy building. He led the transformation and rebranding of the BU UNESCO Club, which gained national acclaim as the Philippines' most outstanding UNESCO Club in social and human sciences, as well as the overall most outstanding UNESCO Club of 2022, a first in its more than decade-long history. He likewise served as pro tempore of the BU General Legislative Council and immediate past chancellor of the BU Blue Feather Society. These culminating achievements earned him further distinction as the most outstanding university graduate in service and third placer in the search for the 10 Outstanding Student Leaders of the Philippines 2022, chosen from among 125 of the country's most exceptional youth leaders. Mr. Torrenueva's commitment to public service did not end at commencement. At present, he serves as a presidential staff officer at the National Youth Commission, where he is at the forefront of national efforts in youth policy development, capacity building for sanggunian kabataan leaders, and empowerment of youth organizations across the country. This year, he takes yet another significant step as he begins his Master of Community Development at the University of the Philippines, Diliman. His journey is a testament to what is possible with brilliance nurtured by purpose, and when a university not only educates minds, but empowers leaders. Honored guests, colleagues, honorees, and members of the diverse communities we represent. It is my distinct honor to present to you our guest of honor to give his challenge to the honorees, Mr. Sidney Joseph L. Torrenueva.
Sound check. Grabe. Kahit ako kinilibutan dun sa introduction sa akin. I can't believe na 3 years since I last stepped into the stage of Bicol University. And it's 3 years since I spoke in front of many students. Before, guest speaker din ako pero sa ibang mga schools, sa ibang mga events. But iba talaga yung feeling kapag dito sa Bicol University. To be honest, kinakabahan ako. Kasi, hinantay ko tong moment na to be honest. Ang tagal kong minanifest na hindi nila ako magsasalita as the outstanding student, as the outstanding graduate. Pero someone na mag-i-inspire na sa inyo, mag-challenge na sa inyo to move forward with dedication and passion. to our SUC President 4, my mentor, my tatay, my angel, Dr. Benji Nebres. The Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Maria Julieta B. Bores, represented by also my former mentor and beautiful talaga, Professor January M. De Chavez, and all our dedicated Vice Presidents. To my former advisor din po, and now acting Dean of the Office of Student Affairs and Services, Professor Jazlyn T. Imperial. Grabe, May pa lang, in-invite niya na talaga ako. And walang second thoughts, go talaga agad tayo. And of course, to the BUCSSP Dean, also my former mentor, very supportive, and now alumni regent, Attorney Alex Nepomuceno. It's really nice to see you again, sir. Other deans and campus directors, esteemed faculty members, parents, fellow youth leaders, to the USC and CSC officers who are here, the university-based and college-based organizations who are also here, and most especially to the parents and to the awardees. Diyos marhay na aldaw po sa Indogabos. I stand here not only as your speaker, but as a fellow student, molded by the same halls, the same struggles, and the same hope that you carry today. This GAWAD BUEño 2025 is a celebration of achievement, yes. But more importantly, it is a deeper call to be life champions and future-ready scholars of the 21st century. Let me begin by asking, tanungin natin yung mga katabi natin, tanungin natin ang mga sarili natin, who is a life champion? Am I a champion? Are you a champion? Are we doing things that makes us a champion? For me, a life champion is not someone who merely collects medals or earns top marks. Pakitanong yung mga katabi, hindi ko naririnig. Are you a champion? Tanungin ang sarili, am I a champion? Are you a champion? Yes, dapat ganyan ang energy natin. A life champion is someone who chooses to rise, even after falling, and even after failing. Someone who learns how to redirect, not retreat. When plans change or life becomes uncertain, your direction matters more than your position. But every redirection in my life pointed towards me, towards something greater. When I didn't qualify for things I wanted, I created my own opportunities. When I was told no and asked, why not me? I redirected rejection into rededication. Simula po elementary po, honor student naman na po ako. Hanggang college, at kayo na mag-masters na rin ako sa UP Diliman. Pero nag-a-apply na rin ako sa outstanding pupil noon, outstanding student. Nung elementary ako, second place. Nung junior high school, second place. And even in the provincial level sa Camarines Norte, second place. Nung senior high school, sa batch namin, also second place. So 3 times ako second place as outstanding student, outstanding graduate noon in various schools. But then in college, I felt like I was redirected. And then finally, naging outstanding student and outstanding graduate. And consecutively, sa CSSP, 3 years, undefeated po ako ang outstanding college student ng BUCSSP. Whew! Grabe. Nung nagsispeech ako noon as outstanding student, ang message ko ay para sa fellow awardees ko, sa fellow students. Ngayon, para sa mga awardees ngayon who will now take the next challenge as next generational leaders in the university. Whew, grabe. Power of manifesting talaga. Ayan, pakipalakpakan nyo naman na. Ayan. Whew. Kaya yung pagmamanifest po ninyo, I tell you, nagkakatotoo po yung mga yan. But it should be coupled with hard work and action. Kaya to those who are still waiting for their moment, keep showing up. You are not behind. You are just being rerouted to your unique purpose. Now to those who are being recognized today, kaway-kaway naman ang mga president's listers natin dyan. Kaway-kaway, taas kamay ninyo, taas kamay, kaway-kaway, and various colleges. Sa mga parents, kaway-kaway din po dyan sa likod. Paki-raise naman yung kamay natin. Ayan. I would like to leave you that remember, excellence is not a one-time event. It is a lifestyle. The key to long-term excellence lies in consistency, the quiet, often unseen discipline of showing up. Hindi po ako yung pinakamatalino sa classroom namin. Hindi rin po ako yung pinakamasipag to tell you with all those awards. Akala ninyo ako yung laging on top, ako yung pinakamatalino, pinakamasipag. Hindi po. But I was the most consistent. I had a vision for myself. Bago ako mag-college, may vision ako para sa sarili ko. I set my aspirations already. Nagsipag ako, ginalingan ko, at nilaban ko. For sure, kayo rin po lahat ng naririto. Iba-iba yung struggles natin, pero sigurado ako, ginalingan ninyong lahat. Kaya kayo nandito. Palakpakan naman ng mga sarili natin. I led several organizations and served communities, worked on my dreams, all with the same effort and same dedication. This discipline led me to graduate as magna cum laude and the most outstanding university graduate, and eventually today, working as a presidential staff officer under the Office of the President, National Youth Commission. So, question ko po sa inyong lahat, tanungin ang sarili natin, can I be excellent even on ordinary days? Can I be excellent kahit walang nakatingin sa akin? Kahit hindi ako ginigrada ng professor? Can I be excellent kahit ako lang mag-isa sa room? Or kahit kaharap ko yung ibang tao? Kasi, nung tinanong ko yun sa sarili ko, nung ako po kagaya ninyo, sa student, nag-aspire pa lang ako maging outstanding college student or university student, doon ko na-realize na in those moments that you are facing so much, doon mo mamumold yung pagiging champion mo. Those are the days that will shape you and deepen your value of excellence where you will become champion. That is why for me today, to be a life champion is to be more than excellent. To be a champion is not just about excellence. It is to be relevant and significant. When the world needs you to compete, choose to collaborate. When others seek power, choose purpose. When others chase success, I believe you should choose significance. Your education is not preparing you to make a living, to be honest. It is preparing you to make a difference. Let your excellence be loud enough to challenge apathy and bold enough to ignite action. The world doesn't need bright minds. It needs brave hearts. To tell you, yung naging journey ko po, it's not just a manifestation of excellence. Hindi lang po ako academically inclined. Hindi lang po ako rank 1 president's lister sa BUC SSP for years. Hindi lang ako outstanding student in scholarship. Nag-attain the highest GWA when I was in first year. But I manifested my excellence through leadership and service, through dedication and hard work. So that is why, to be a champion for life, we need to embody these 4 things. L stands for you need to lead with integrity. I, you need to inspire with genuity. And F, you need to fight for what is right within your university and outside to your community. And finally, letter E, you need to empower others. Because when you're in your class, you're in an organization, or in your community, or your career after your graduate, be a life champion. Because what this university and country needs is not just scholars with skills, but leaders with soul. Lift others as you climb, and never forget the title, Life Champion is not only given during recognition. It is earned every day through service, sacrifice, and sincerity. To all the awardees, the real test begins after the applause fades. Your medals will shine, or pins, ayan, pins na pala ngayon, will shine less brightly over time. But the values you uphold, those will endure. And to those who did not make the list, or who are maybe watching our live stream right now, the dream is still alive, and you are still in the fight. Lahat po kayo ay builders of the future. Sa National Youth Commission, we believe the youth are our future. You are more than just students. You are solution bringers, change makers, and light bearers. So be brave, be kind, and be loud for what matters. I challenge our university student council officers, college student council officers, UBOs and CBO officers, and to our outstanding university students na inawardan pa lang po kanina, I challenge you po, dahil meron pa kayong natitirang taon sa university, nawa ang gawin po natin in our next succeeding years is to leave a legacy, to impart wisdom, to embody the 4 pillars of the university na hindi lang po nakikita ng iilan, pero nakikita ng karamihan. When I was the outstanding university student noong 2021, when I was also in 3rd year, hindi po ako officer ng USC or CSC, but director ako ng university-based organization and chancellor ng Blue Feather Society. I found my path to contribute to USC and CSC. So kaya po, yung mga university students natin, and kayo pong lahat na president's listers in various colleges, for sure, titingalain po kayo ng mga fellow students sa inyong college and sa buong university. Take it as a challenge, but with a greater responsibility. You hold the power to influence. You also hold the power to inspire. So be both. At the same time, do not only manifest that you are president's lister for academic excellence, but a president lister who also manifests contribution in your college and in your community. Kaya po, nung ako ay outstanding university student, I took the platform and the initiative and the influence to collaborate with our USC, to collaborate with our CSC, and implementing various programs, student-centered activities and projects. Kaya po, very proud po ako. Nasa 4-year stay ko po sa university, napakarami ko pong natulungan, napakarami ko pong na-empower na students, and napakarami ko rin pong programs na na-implement in partnership with various university-based organizations, CBOs, and the student councils. So kaya po kayo, either officer man kayo or hindi, or member man po kayo o hindi, use the platform given to you as outstanding student, as president's lister, to lead with excellence, to provide service to your fellow college students, and to your college, to the entire college and university community. Today po, bit-bit ko po lahat ng mga yon. Baon-baon ko po yung lahat ng mga yon. Naiiyak ako, honestly. Kasi nung time namin, wala kaming pa 5,000. Ngayon meron ng 5,000. Bakit? Charot lang. Noon wala pa sayang, 10,000 sana ako kasi twice ako noon eh. Ibalik po, charot lamang po. Ayan, pero seriously, naiiyak talaga ako. Kasi I don't know pa kung paano ko pa hihigitan yung naging journey ko before, or paano ninyo pa masusurpass yung nagawa ko or yung journey ko before noon. Because you create your own destiny. You write your own books. You write your own stories. As I continue my journey in public service po today, as a youth development worker, dala-dala ko po yung 4 pillars of the university. Ano po yun? Scholarship, leadership, service, and most importantly, character. And dala ko rin po yun as I pursue my Master of Community Development at the University of the Philippines, Diliman. Kinontinue ko po yung passion for excellence and your passion for community work. Kaya pinursu ko po ang pagiging isang youth development worker sa NYC. At ngayon po, pursuing a career path to be a full-time community development worker. Lahat po na experience ko sa university, all the glitz and glamours, all the awards and recognitions, I put it to work. I put it into meaningful impact to my community. Kaya nahanap ko po sa puso ko yung passion for community work. Kaya pinupurso ko po yun ngayon bilang isang youth development worker And now, future sa career path ko po, isang full-time and full-fledged community development worker. Kaya po kayo ngayon, mga awardees natin, to all our students, I challenge that you may find your path, that you may find your purpose, and let that purpose be more than just yourself. It should be about your community, about your fellow students, and how you will leave a lasting impact to the student body and to the entire Bicol University community. And finally, I hope and I also challenge you to seek for mentors. Mentors that will guide you, mentors that will nurture you, mentors that will tell you, o baka sumasobra ka na. Maybe it's time for you to pause. Maybe it's time for you to reflect and relax. Sobrang grateful po ako sa mga mentors ko. Napakarami po nila all throughout my journey sa BUCSSP. Sa mga faculty members po ng Political Science Department, na kung nandirito man po kayo, maraming salamat po. Sa mga naging professors ko po across BUCSSP, across the entire university and other colleges, sa College of Arts and Letters, sa IPSR, Sir Robert, and then sa College of Education, maraming salamat po. Hindi lang po kayo naging teacher ko, hindi lang po kayo naging professor ko, naging mentor ko, naging tatay ko, naging nanay ko. Thank you so much for seeing the passion, the light, and the fire in me that I can make a difference. Kaya ngayon po, kayong mga awardees natin, seek your mentors. Do not treat them as threat. Do not treat them as competitions. Find mentors that will truly nurture and guide you. Grateful and blessed ako today in front of you because of those mentors who shaped and honed me. Ma'am January, simula senior high school, andyan na siya para sa akin. Hanggang ngayon, andito pa rin si Ma'am January. And coincidentally, former chancellor siya ng BFS, naging chancellor din ako ng BFS. Ayan, naipasa talaga ang corona. To Ma'am Jaslyn Imperial, also my former advisor sa BFS. Ma'am Jazz, I love you. Asan ka? Ma'am Jazz, maraming salamat po for the guidance and support. To also my other former advisors sa UNESCO Club, sa BU Magenta, to the BU Red Cross Youth Council, sa BU Samafil, maraming salamat din po for guiding me and serving as my mentors, and which led me to the person that who I am today. Kaya po ngayon, sa lahat po ng awardees, the President's Listers natin, kaya sa next academic year, sana po President's Lister pa rin po kayo. Pero sana po, hindi na lang siya pagiging PL about being academic excellence. Sana po, yung speech ko may be able to, for you, to redirect your appreciation of being a President's Lister. Na sana merong deeper value ang pagiging PL natin. Pwedeng honor natin to our parents, honor to our families, but most importantly, kayo po ang magde-define. Ano ba ang pagiging meaning and value ng pagiging President's Lister to myself, to my community, and to others? Don't just strive to be excellent. I believe you should strive to be significant. What more excellence kung hindi significant yung pagiging excellent mo? PL ka nga, outstanding student ko nga, ano ngayon? What's next? So ang next question dapat dyan, are you significant? Are you relevant? Anong ginawa mo sa platform mo para makatulong at maging significant ka sa iyong college and to the entire community? My journey, before, hindi ko pa na-define yung ibig sabihin, to be honest with you, kagaya lang po ninyo ako. For me, excellence noon before, pagiging rank 1 President's Lister, outstanding student, or pagiging suki ng mga international and national awards. Grabe, nagpunta na ako ng mga ASEAN level conferences, nanalo na ako internationally. Pero doon ko na-realize that excellence is not all those glitz and glamours. Doon ko na-realize na yung excellence ko dapat significant to our community, significant to the student body. So do not just chase dreams. You have to build legacies. And when the time comes, be the champion, not just of your life, but of others, for your communities, and for the generations to come. Ayan. Kaway-kaway ulit yung mga awardees natin, please. Kaway-kaway, kaway-kaway. Lahat kayo kaway-kaway, please. Lahat kayo kaway-kaway. Ayan. Finally, I challenge you to be more than just the person that you are here today. And always remember, your brilliance is not how high you rise alone, but how many rise because you rise. Hindi yung kanin, hindi kanin na rice. Rice, pagtayo, ayan. Pag-angat, ayan. So hindi nasusukat ang kagalingan, ang talino, ang brilliance ninyo sa na-achieve ninyo. Pero nasusukat ito kung sino at gaano karami rin yung umangat kasabay ninyo, na nadala ninyo sa pag-angat ninyo. I'm proud na sa pag-angat ko, inangat ko rin ang organization namin. Inangat ko rin ang mga buong batch ko. Lahat kami sa batch ko graduated with Latin honors. Kaya very, very proud to impart and share this with you. Na sama-sama dapat tayong aangat. Lalang may iwan, no one should be left behind. And it's normal for other students na iangat nila yung sarili nila. Pero bigger responsibility po ang nasa inyo to lift others up, not just yourself. Because you are already President's Lister. You are bestowed with a greater responsibility, especially sa ating university students, outstanding university students. Bigger platform, bigger power, and bigger influence to inspire students. Be that kind of life champion and future-ready scholars, the one whose legacy is not written in medals, but in the lives changed because you chose to lead with heart, chose to serve with soul, and to live with purpose. I end my speech today knowing and confident ako and happy na mas mahihigitan pa ninyo yung jogging journey ko. I'm for sure, mas magiging successful kayo sa next year ninyo. Di na lang kayo, kung nasa top kayo ng President's Lister, baka nasa top 1 na kayo or higher, or baka kayo na rin yung next year's outstanding university student will also deliver the speech in front of the university. Ngayon po, just feels so real for me, to be honest. GAWAD BUEño, 4 na beses ako nasa GAWAD BUEño simula first year hanggang 4th year. First year pa lang awardee na ako ng GAWAD BUEño as outstanding university student in scholarship. Highest GWA ko noon sa buong university. And then second year, GAWAD BUEño. Pero third year and 4th year, when I spoke sa GAWAD BUEño, online lang. Yan. Online lang yung GAWAD BUEño noon because of the pandemic. Kaya I was really looking forward, and kating-kati talaga ako to speak in front of you face to face. Kaya to be given this opportunity to impart my wisdom, to share my knowledge, to impart my stories is really a blessing and opportunity. Nag-chill pa rin ako, to be honest. Kaya I'd like to end my speech that I'd like you to be the change you want to see in the world. And it all starts with you today, contributing and redefining your understanding of academic excellence. But it is to be of significance to your community. Once again, I am Sydney Joseph Torrenueva, the outstanding university student in 2021, the outstanding university graduate in 2022, and one of the 10 outstanding student leaders of the Philippines in 2022. Maraming salamat po, and may you continue to embody the 4 pillars of the university: scholarship, leadership, service, and character. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you very much, Mr. Torrenueva, for your inspiring message and for challenging our honorees. To show our gratitude, we will now proceed with the awarding of plaque and certificate to our guest speaker. This will be presented by Dr. Attorney Alex Nepomuceno, the Dean of the College of Social Sciences and Philosophy, together with Professor January de Chavez and Professor Daves L. Tonga, and also the Acting Office Dean, Professor Jocelyn D. Imperial.
And of course, allow me to read the citation. Certificate of Commendation is presented to Sydney Joseph L. Torrenueva for his invaluable service as guest speaker during the GAWAD BUEño University Recognition Ceremony held on July 2, 2025 at Bicol University, Legazpi City. His insightful address and impactful contributions made the event special and memorable for everyone there. His presence highlighted the importance of academic achievements and university accolades, inspiring everyone with his wise words and encouragement. given today during the GAWAD BUEño University Recognition with the theme Life Champions and Future Ready Scholars for the 21st Century at Bicol University, Legazpi City. Once again, thank you very much, Mr. Sidney Torrenueva, for being here with us in this significant event. And now, to give his response on behalf of all the awardees, let us welcome on stage Mr. Janry E. Espiritu, a shining example of excellence as he takes the stage. Janry is a BS Computer Science major from the College of Science and has been recognized as the most outstanding university student for this academic year 2024-2025.
Thank you po. Sorry. Okay, nakabahan ba ako? Pero sige. Yeah. A star may shine alone, but the star becomes more meaningful when it becomes part of a constellation. We often talk about success and achievement as if they are the result of a solo act, as though the brightest star in the sky simply willed itself into brilliance. But even the brightest star means little on its own. Light, no matter how radiant, needs other lights to create something greater. That is the beauty of a constellation. Not one star outshining the others, but many stars aligned to tell a story and to guide those still searching in the dark. To our university president, Dr. Babyboy Benjamin D. Nebres III, Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Maria Julieta B. Boris, to Mr. Sidney Joseph L. Torrenueva, our guest speaker, to the Acting Dean of the Office of Student Affairs and Services, Ms. Jaslyn Imperial, to the respective deans and directors of each of the colleges and institutes of Bicol University, our hardworking teaching and non-teaching personnel, proud parents, fellow scholars, and most especially to the main guests of this occasion, my fellow awardees, good morning. It is often said that we are each the star of our own life story, a star that can shine on its own. For a time, we may believe that brilliance is enough to light the path ahead, that if we work hard enough, shine bright enough, we can overcome any shadow. But what we may have failed to realize is that stars were never meant to exist alone. Even in the vastness of the universe, stars are rarely isolated. They burn brighter, steadier, and with deeper meaning when seen together, when seen in a constellation. In the same way, I believe that the achievements we receive today are not ours alone. This is because we are not self-made. We are shaped by our community. We are formed by the people who believed in us, who stood by us, and held our light when it was about to flicker out. Today, I am honored and humbled to stand before you, to speak on behalf of all BUeños. But this recognition carries more than my name. It carries the voices, the sacrifices, and the support of everyone who helped shape the star I have become. I still remember the first time I walked through the halls of Bicol University. As someone who came from another province, it was a completely new world, full of unfamiliar faces and unfamiliar spaces. I was overwhelmed, and with my quiet nature and difficulty in opening up, I became a star in isolation. For a time, I had this routine of just going to class, sitting in the front, and rarely speaking to anyone. Out of all the constellations forming around me in my block, I was part of none. I was stuck in a school to boarding house routine, not spending too much time socializing with my classmates. I spent most of my time in the library reviewing alone, finding fulfillment in academic excellence. I wasn't involved in organizations back then. I avoided responsibilities. I had not yet dared to immerse myself in a new community. Yes, my star had light, but with the vastness of the space I am in, it was faint. It wasn't enough to light a path forward. And so even now, I still wonder, how did I get here? How did my once isolated star find the path that led me to this very stage? I ask, did my star grow bigger? Did it suddenly shine brighter? At first, I thought it might have. But when I look back now, I realize that no, my star did not change. Its luminance remained the same. What changed was everything and everyone around it. Through time, I found people who shared their light with me, people who welcomed me into their orbits, people who aligned with me, not to compete, but to connect. Together, we have formed a constellation. Suddenly, my path was no longer dark, not because I shone brighter, but because I was no longer shining alone. I met friends who opened doors that I did not know even existed. My first two college friends helped me grow in ways I never expected. They have turned me from a quiet loner into a social butterfly in the making. From being someone who kept to himself, I slowly stepped out of my shell. Then came my six-member SE group turned constant companions. We may have spent time together battling academic requirements than resting, but every sleepless night felt lighter with you all beside me. I eventually found a home in Builds, an organization for the USC scholars. It was a space where I no longer had to explain why I cared so deeply about service, because everyone around me did too. In just a year, we built memories that felt like decades. We were more than teammates. We were co-stars in a shared story. Our community projects and volunteering efforts may have worn us down, but they strengthened our spirit. They reminded me that our light is not meant to stay within us. It's meant to reach others. As we say, lagit lagi para sa bayan. And for that, for the nth time, I say this with full conviction. What I have achieved is not just the product of one star's light, but the result of an entire constellation. A community who unselfishly shared their light and helped illuminate a path I once could not even see. I believe this isn't just true for me, but for most, if not all of us here today. After all, it's always more meaningful to celebrate our victories, not in isolation, but with the people who journeyed with us through every rise, every fall, every flicker, and every flare. So let us take this moment to honor the constellations we are part of, those who helped us grow, guided us when we were lost, and shone for us when we could not shine for ourselves. To our families, our very first stars, the ones whose light has always been constant, even when skies turned cloudy. To my mama, you are my northern star. Your guidance helped me find direction in the darkest nights, and your strength gave me a reason to keep glowing. To my papa, whose light dimmed when I was just in my first year, thank you. You shared your light even when you barely had enough. And though you may have faded in this world, you still shine you still shine bright in my heart always. Let us also recognize our friends, the stars who joined our orbit along the way. They expanded our sky. They reminded us we are not alone. They were there during our brightest moments and especially during our darkest. So to my fellow awardees, before we step away from the stage, may we pause even just for a moment and look back at the sky we came from. Let us not forget the stars who stood by us, those who listened, guided, lifted, challenged, and loved us. The people who did not always shine the brightest, but who held the light steady when we could not. The ones who formed our constellations, giving shape and direction to our journeys. These accolades we receive today, they may bear our names, but they also carry the reflections of every person who lit the way and every heart that reminded us of our worth. To our ates and kuyas who graduated last week, congratulations! You have reached a new horizon. But may you never forget the constellations that brought you here. As you shine beyond the walls of Bicol University, may your light guide others, and may you become part of someone else's constellation too. And to those who, like me, are still in the midst of the journey, we are not done yet. Let's continue shining not just for recognition, but for purpose, for others, for service. Let us not strive to shine alone, but to shine together. And in doing so, let us build constellations that will outlast any star. Because in the end, we stars may shine alone, but we become more meaningful when we become part of a constellation. Congratulations, thank you, and padayon mga scholar ng bayan.
What a remarkable response from John. Indeed, the future is bright with students like him leading the way. And since you have all made your way here already, remember that the world will help you achieve your most tremendous potential.
Indeed, ma'am. And now we move forward to award plaques of recognition, medals, pins, and certificate to the Presidential Citation Award to honor the outstanding achievements of our college-based, university-based organizations, college student councils, and their respective advisors.
Presenting the awards, we have Professor Daves L. Tonga. Also included is Professor January M. De Chavez. They will be assisted by Professor Jocelyn T. Imperial, the Acting Dean of the OSOS, and Dr. Marceliana, the Director of the BUSWS, as represented by Ma'am Rosario Frick, the Coordinator of the Career and Placement Services.
And of course, ma'am, we will also be inviting the following deans to come with us on stage: Professor Jocelyn Serrano, Dr. Adrian Aguilar, and also Dr. Dimson Rivero. And of course, we'd like to invite our guest speaker to award the following awards to the individuals: Mr. Joseph Sidney Joseph El Terranueva, Outstanding CBO in Intercurricular Activities. This award is given to Anatomy Teaching and Learning Academic Society, or ATLAS, from the College of Medicine.
And now, the Outstanding College-Based Organization in Extracurricular Activities. This is given to the Philippine Institute of Civil Engineers Student Chapter of Bicol University from the College of Engineering.
The Outstanding College-Based Organization in Community Involvement, and likewise the Most Outstanding College-Based Organization is awarded to Symbiosis of the College of Science. Along with this, the Outstanding CBO Advisor is given to Professor Phil V. Morano. The members of the BU Symbiosis Board of Directors, Deloisa May B. Kaya, Jean Alexis S. Andes, Mark B. Warde, Hilary P. Vega, China Marie A. Chongson, Christian Nicola Diliana, Janelle Teresa A. Datos, Ezekiah Venice A. Gallego, Eliza R. Villamil, Joshua N. Vasquez, Ace Vincent M. Lorico, Angel Claire M. Lonsano, Eliza Nolias, Mary May Francine S. Briones, Fritz Sigil Albaitar, Claire Krishna L. Chua, Mary Darlene L. Luas, Kylie Naomi T. Liano, Angela John Ibriton, Nelson Louis M. Recero III, and Aliyah Ann R. Herrera. Advisor, Phil V. Morano.
있을 것 같아 멈추지 않는 내 심장 You stepped into my heart so deep inside my mind
Once again, congratulations to Anatomy Teaching and Learning Academic Society, Philippine Institute of Civil Engineers, BU Student Chapter, and of course, to BU Symbiosis of the College of Science. We will now be proceeding to the awarding of the most outstanding university-based organization, the UBO.
Allow me to start with the outstanding college-based organization, university-based organization, both in intracurricular activities and extracurricular activities. This will be given to the Bicol University Pre-Medical Society. The Bicol University Pre-Medical Society is from Bicol University College of Science.
The Outstanding University-Based Organization and Community Involvement, also the Most Outstanding University-Based Organization, is awarded to Bicol University Red Cross Youth Council. Outstanding UBO Advisor is also awarded to Dr. Charina J. Sipon. The members are the following: Paul Wiljosh D. Monteclar, Arniel John D. Valdez, Arvin Chris D. Dabak, Maria Winona L. Olandis, Dariel F. Balingki, Trisha Ann A. Bolangayta, Mabel N. Bona, Pauline D. Reyes, Kay Ann Luis D. Balagasa. Once again, let's bigyan po natin ng palakpakan those who were awarded the outstanding college-based and the university-based organizations.
Maraming salamat po and congratulations. Thank you also to our deans and
Of course, we will now proceed with the awarding of the most outstanding college student council.
And now, our most outstanding college student council goes to the Bicol University College of Science. Along with this, their CSE advisor, Professor Mark H. Daen, will be receiving the Outstanding CSE Advisor.
The members of the College of Science, College Student Council, Simon Angelo Carlo S. Narvaez, Angelo Jose S. Rico, Jonasen Anton P. Lavapier, Jenny Nina B. E. Vergo, Jenny May B. Bueno, Iser Kelvin A. Bacerdo, James Brian O. Quinones, Aliyah Charlize A. Labandillo, Shaniesa A. Tangelon, Jana C. Colliantes, Stephen L. Lance, Sara A. Valhimin. Once again, congratulations to those who have been awarded the Outstanding College-Based, University-Based Organizations, and now the College Student Council. And likewise, we'd like to extend our thanks to the deans who are here with us on stage. Maraming salamat po for being with us as we give the certificates and the plaque, and likewise the medals to the awardees.
Now we move to the awarding of certificates and recognition, and also the deans. So we have the following Presidential Citation Award in Leadership to the University Student Council officers and their advisor. And also we are going to give the award for the service awardees. With that, we would like to request Architect Maureen Sia, Dr. Jean Annette Ibo, and Dr. Noemi Ibo. Along with this, they will be joined by Professor January Chavez, Professor Jocelyn D. Imperial, and again, Ms. Chato, free from the Coordinator for Career and Placement. To receive the Presidential Citation Award in Leadership, we have the University Student Council officers and their advisor.
The members of the University Student Council are the following: Kyle Rioben Obron, Aizal B. Manata, Ariana Quese A. Digo, Jarice S. De Los Santos, Yancy S. Bermas, Bea Liza B. Madrono, Francia Ley B. Bulawan, Casey Maxine A. Mendones, Jamil R. Buisa, and Stacy Daniel V. Alamares. Advisor are the following: Dr. Ophelia Somersi and Engineer Hannah Micah Gaton Dulay.
Once again, congratulations to our University Student Council officers and their advisor. Now let us witness the Presidential Citation as Service Awardees to the Bicol Universitarian editorial staff and their advisor.
The members of the Bicol Universitarian, Sean Patrick Juarez, Bonami Frondoso, Florence Andrea Fernandez, Angelique Belende, Sean Andre Manimtim, Sai Aldre Murillo, Gerald Sapenia, James Edward Tambobo. Advisor, Dr. Gremlin Alessandro Nax.
Once again, congratulations to our Universitarian editorial staff and their advisor.
And of course, we'd like to extend our thanks to the director or to the deans and director who are with us here on stage. At this point, let us take a brief intermission. To entertain us, we have an exceptional performance from our Bicol University Cuerdas. Let's give them a round of applause, please. Ladies and gentlemen, Orak BUEño.
Sa bawat BUEñong nandirito, taglay mo ang galing na sigurado.
Kahit saan man mapunta, galing mo ay ipapamalas. Nunay kay tatak, BUEño.
Subukin man ang panahon, sabay-sabay pa rin tayong aahon. Kailanman di nawawala, pagmamahal natin sa isa't isa. BUEño, halina't sumabay, sa tugtugin ng ating kapal. Puso'y nakikinig ng BUEño magaling. Ikaw at ako, BUEño tayo. Ay lumilipas, ganun ang BUEño ay di tumutupan. Ay lumilipas, ganun ang BUEño ay di tumutupan.
Lahat susungin, lahat ay kakayanin. Tulong-tulong abutin mga hangarin natin.
Tayo'y handang matuto, kailanman hindi suko. Sa galing ng pamuno, tayo'y nalituan.
Maanbang na maraming taon, tayo'y pinagtitibay ng panahon.
Kahit tayo'y magkakaiba, ngunit tayo pa rin ay nagkakaisa. BUEño, halina't sumabay, sa tugtugin ng ating tagumpay. Puso'y nakikinig ng BUEño magaling. Ikaw at ako, BUEño tayo. Ay lumilipas, galing ng BUEño ay di tumutupas. Panahon, oras, ay lumilipas, galing ng BUEño ay di tumutupas.
BUEño Orgulyong Bicolano, may tatako ragon sa iman darahon. Dahil mapadaog sa raro, sa rabay, may paglawag sa kabos. Dahil yung mananatan, tunay na tatak na BUEño.
Pag sinabing BUEño magaling, siguradong titingala, inamumutawi ang pag-ibig sa iyong puso sapagkat ikaw isang tunay BUEño.
Ibang klase ang galing-galing ng BUEño, kayang pagmalaki kahit kanino. Taas no sa kabutihan ng iyong puso, kahit saan man dalhin ang mundo. BUEño, halina't sumabay, sa tugtugin ng ating tagumpay. Puso'y nagdidinig ng BUEño magaling. Ikaw at ako, BUEño tayo. BUEño, halina't sumabay, sa tugtugin ng ating tagumpay. Puso'y nagdidinig ng BUEño magaling. Thank you, Bicol University Cultural Groups, for that outstanding performance. And of course, to our BU Cuerdas. Now we proceed to another set of awardees. This will be presented to us by Dr. Karina L. Sales, the Bicol University Institute of Physical Education, Sports and Recreation Director, and the Creative Consultant of the Bicol University Cultural Groups. She will be assisted by the Dean of the Bicol University Pulangi, Dr. Mary Joy Katangi. Also by the Dean of the College of Social Sciences and Philosophy, Dr. Attorney Alex P. Nepomuceno. Joining with them is the Associate Dean of the Bicol University Tabaco, Professor Sheila B. Bustamante. Joining them on stage is the Dean of the Bicol University College of Science, Professor Jocelyn Serrano. Of course, we are joined by our guest speaker, Mr. Sidney Torrenueva.
Let us now proceed with the awarding. We will be awarding the most outstanding university athlete to Mr. Jomar Opante of the Bachelor of Science in Exercise and Sports Sciences, major in Fitness and Sports Management of the Bicol University Institute of Physical Education, Sports and Recreation. To proceed, another award is the International Citation Award for Research. This will be given to
International Citation Award for Research is given to Erin Ashley S. Nesho from the Bachelor of Science in Nursing of the Bicol University Pulangi. She is also awarded as Best Presenter during the first International Conference on Psychology, Gender, and Sexuality Studies in 2024. Research title, Unveiling Contemporary Sexual Trends and Behaviors Among Students of Bicol University Pulangi, an in-depth investigation of their effects on health and well-being. Advisor is Marvin Yu, Bella Cruz.
Once again, thank you very much. And also, congratulations to the most outstanding athlete and the International Citation Awardee. At this juncture, we will now be calling on Professor Marklin Tejada to award the following.
Good morning. The service awardees for Bicol University Culture and the Arts Program. Service awardees, Bicol University Magayon Dance Troupe. With the coordinator and trainer, Sir Professor Wilven M. Mendaza. Outstanding Cultural Performer for Dance Troupe, Antonia O. Sales. Congratulations. Okay. Service awardees, Pico University Coral. With their advisor, coordinator, Professor Apple and congratulations. Service awardees for Pico University Cuerdas Operandi with their professor and coordinator, Professor Apple and Rubio. Outstanding performer for Cuerdas Operandi, Elnica Jane V. Daen. The service awardees for Tanghalang BUEño. With their trainer and coordinator, Sir Jobert E. Landeza. Congratulations. Service awardees for Pico University Tanghalang BUEño. Outstanding performer for Tanghalang BUEño, Mr. Romeo T. Jacob Jr. Congratulations. Service awardees for Pico University Marching Band with their trainer advisor, Sir Alex Tavales. Outstanding performer for marching band, Jolo O. Barcena. Congratulations, Bicol University Marching Band. Next up are the service awardees for Bicol University Majorates. Outstanding performer for BU Majorates is Miss Zyla May R. Malto. Congratulations. May we also award the certificates, medals, and 10,000 cash for the winners of this year's graduation songwriting competition from the College of Education. The composers are Princess Anne B. Ruste, Michael Justin Bermas, Elnica Jane B. Daen with their musical masterpiece titled Tanglao. Congratulations.
Once again, congratulations to all the awardees. We will now be proceeding with the awarding of certificates and pins to the President's List for school year 2024-2025. They will be awarded a certificate of recognition and a pin.
This prestigious recognition will be presented to us by Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin D. Nebres III, assisted by Professor January de Chavez, Dr. Salvacion Villaferte, Professor Jocelyn T. Imperial, and concerned deans and directors. The College Student Affairs and Services Coordinators will read the names of the awardees. The order of the awardees will be read as follows. Bicol University Inubatan, by their SAS, Professor Maria Nineta E. Opeña.
The second will be the College of Arts and Letters. Will be read by Mr. Noel S. Armenia. This will be followed by the College of Business, Economics, and Management, read by Ms. Geneva M. Llagas. And of course, we have from the College of Education, we have here Professor Dr. Edison A. Perez. From the Industrial Technology, we have Professor Arlie G. Fresnido. From the College of Nursing, Professor Gaspar R. Santos. The College of Science, we have Professor Mark H. Daen. From the College of Social Sciences and Philosophy, we have Professor Tanya El Año. From GAWAD, we have Professor Christine Ann D. Laguardia. From IPSR, Professor Robert D. Madrazo. From the Jesse M. Robredo Institute of Governance and Development, this will be read by Professor Maria Rachel L. Laurinaria. And we also have the BU Pulangi, Professor Ben L. Saminiano. And last but not least, we have Professor Glenda A. Abuela from BU Tabaco.
We also invite on stage to join us in the awarding Rosario Chatofree, the coordinator for career and placement services of the Bicol University.
I guess this is now time when we call on Professor Maria Nanita E. Opeña.
Doctor of Veterinary Medicine, Son Carlo A. Lim.
Bicol University College of Arts and Letters, President's Listers, Bachelor of Arts in English Language, Francine V. Leona, Ira May C. Madrideo, Rose Ann B. Rempilio, Donna B. Despabiladeras, Bachelor of Arts in Literature, Claudia Esmaela B. Gaderpur, Matthew Jericho Emmanuel G. Abanes, Carl Justin T. Lasanas, Ivan Rosario, Bachelor of Arts in Broadcasting, John Armand P. Senita, Hyacinth Claire N. Hoxon.
May we please call the awardees for the College of Arts and Letters?
Well, we are having technical difficulty at this moment. May we request all the awardees to apologies for the technical difficulties. Sir, we will be calling first the CSAS of the College of Nursing. This will be followed by the... oh.
President's List from the College of Nursing. Amina L. Reyes. Catherine Joy T. Pobar. Justin David Reynoso. Alvin John Nual. Sorry. Thank you, College of Nursing. Congratulations to our President's List for first and second semesters. We now call on the President's List of the Bicol University, Jesse M. Robredo, Governance and Development, to read the names. May we call on to award Dr. Noemi L. Ibo on stage, and Miss Rachel Laurenaria to read. BUJMRIGD President's List for school year 2024-2025. Mark Tristan N. Quiniano. Justin David V. Reynoso. Jedwayne Marie R. Gutay. Rayan May D. Sorry. Congratulations, BUJMRIGD, to our awardees. Let us give them a round of applause.
The awardees from GAWAD, we have Rian May D. Dizon, BSED Filipino.
Ladies and gentlemen, the awardees of Bicol University GAWAD Campus, Maurice E. Bala,
Rayan May D. Dizon,
Angelica M. Brinquillo,
Aubrey Rose E. Prado.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, BU GAWAD President's Listers.
President's Lister from the Bicol University College of Industrial Technology.
Kyla May L. Caceres.
Erin Hart Mervin B. Duca.
Christine May Leong.
Mark Joseph N. Peñero.
Mary Angelica C. Conrobia.
And Jeric P. Carranza. Congratulations to our awardees from the Bicol University College of Industrial Technology.
President's Listers from Bicol University, Tabaco. Janine D. Regalado. Eliza Shane Bond.
Princess Shaira B. Flandes. Sheila Marie B. Bercasio.
Eliza Shane Bond.
Sheila May B. Bercasio.
Miko C. Corbilia.
Arabella Bermas.
Cyron P. Borromeo.
Angeline P. Boral.
Christine Foliero.
And Angela B. Punel.
Congratulations.
May we call Dr. Karina L. Sales to award the President's List for school year 2024-2025 for Institute of Physical Education, Sports, and Recreation.
Ace Benary A. Buban,
John Lloyd V. Binaya,
Stephanie L. Lobendino,
Arabella A. Mangaw,
Antonia O. Sales,
Ayana Samantha B. Ibanez,
Queen Nova D. Martin,
Ara H. Espedido,
Paul Angelo D. Antivola,
Nicole P. Busa,
Jean R. D. Dignos,
Gisarel Ann G. Santos,
Oliver B. Santillan,
Jean Pearl N. Liano,
Jane O. Bosquillos,
Mark Paul D. Astillero,
Carlo A. Caparino,
Jomar J. S. Osera,
Heidi B. Boncalos,
Lovely Joy D. Cordovilla,
Julius O. Murada,
Jessamy L. Herrera,
IBM Manrique. Congratulations.
Thank you, Dr. Karina L. Sales. We now call in the Dean of the Polangi, BU Polangi, Dr. Mary Joy Katangi. The President's Listers for BU Polangi, school year 2024-2025, Christine N. Samar,
Shaina Jana Alcantara,
Lawrence D. Dela Rama,
Samantha Joy Alcantara,
Ian Forrest R. Roget,
Aaron Joshua Ofracio,
Marian R. Resayaga,
Ella May Seva,
Joyce M. Arevalo,
Princess Angel Canyutan,
Fiona Elisha L. Toscano,
Erica May Orendai,
Mary Joy A. Calpe,
Mary Joy Cano,
Andrea S. Sabilala,
Nicole Nuda,
Maria Andrea N. Henyo,
Micaela Vargas,
Wency Lou B. Registrado,
Francel Casimiro.
Monica Justin A. Banawa.
Lady Marlene Vargas.
Aprilin O. Mangalinaw.
And Samantha Nicole Beher. Congratulations.
May Hidep.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, Bio Palangi President's List 2024-2025. Let us give them a round of applause. Congratulations. Thank you, Dr. Katangi. At this point, we would like to call in the Dean of the College of Education.
We invite on stage the Dean of the College of Education, Dr. Lorna M. Millian.
May we call on stage Dr. Jean Ibo and Architect Sia to assist in the awarding of the President's List for the College of Education.
Our awardees from the College of Education, Francois Joshua Bahandi,
Lady Jeraine E. Villamor,
Jasmine Denise B. Alcaide,
Harlet May A. Manlapas,
Jenny Lee C. Competente,
Grace Antoinette A. Sarasap,
Leia Claire E. Inocencio,
Zenin Kale A. Villacarlo,
We also have Yori Ann L. Arevalo,
Monica G. Aranil,
Jericho B. Floresca,
Joyce Ann G. Oliva,
Sheena Marie N. Novello,
Rhea Natalia F. Lario,
Erica M. Bolaños,
John Vincent Belen,
Margaret C. Castro,
Daniel P. Racion,
Luis D. Maravilla,
Jessamine C. Gamba,
John Benedict Loyola,
Janela M. Armario,
Charis P. Pino,
Gloria Isabel Espedido,
Shena S. Guardas,
Jenny V. Balbalosa,
Sheila Ann May Hakutina,
Romel M. Valenzuela,
Kenneth L. Valderrama,
Wesley M. Don,
April M. Vargas,
Josias O. Oriola,
Joseph H. Tama,
June Arlet B. Casquejo.
Congratulations to our awardees from the College of Education. Next are our awardees from the Bicol University College of Science. We invite the Dean of the Bicol University College of Science, Professor Jocelyn Serrano. We invite the CSAS of the Bicol University of College of Science to Professor Mark Dae.
Thank you, Dr. Ibo. The President's listers for school year 2024-2025 from the College of Science. Vicente C. Bercasio II.
Arvi G. Rivera.
James Anthony Rosales.
Adornado B. Cabalbag Jr.
Ian Gabriel C. Villame.
Angela Ann Therese A. Hugo.
Jasmine Erica M. Nator.
Rona May Balangat.
Maria Cristina C. Alianza.
Owie S. Lumbag.
Nerlin M. Guevara.
Misty Shane S. Miones.
Daniela M. Cantillo. Terence M. Visser.
Trina Charis B. Hibo.
Jovic Francis B. Raico.
Aliana Victoria D. Noal.
CJ Herrera.
Jomar Jake D. Mapa.
Ina Gabriel B. Foronda.
January E. Espirito.
Maxine Elizabeth O. Severo. Mykonos B. Flores.
Juan Miguel P. Zorbito.
Diana Rose C. Bermundo.
Francis Mores P. Miranda.
Jenny May B. Bueno.
Paul Andre P. Bobis. Say Andre P. Morillo.
Erica May Lopez.
Mary May Francine S. Briones.
Ria B. Maestrado.
Maria Novena Aubrey C. Dugan.
Althea Kathleen M. Soria.
Julian Avon G. Damante.
Zedric Jave L. Lana.
Bernard D. Tawal.
Faith Rexine B. Borjan.
Maria Teresa Joanna R. Rape. Kayla C. Beranya.
Congratulations, President's List of the Bicol University College of Science. May we request the students at the back to please go back to their seats. Thank you very much. Ushers, please guide our students to return to their seats. Congratulations, College of Science.
Next is from President's Lister from the Bicol University College of Science and Social Science.
Luke C. Boncha.
Marco Sebastian F. Mesolani.
Maricon B. Ilaw.
Bea Abigail R. Luna.
Maria Nicole B. Rosero.
Winona Venice T. Barrios.
Andrea C. Villar.
John Paul M. De Jesus.
Renaline N. Bibanco.
Tristan Kim O. Salcedo.
Cesar James P. Melete.
Fred Harvey P. Abarca.
Kim C. Baliano.
Alexis S. Ali.
Lemuel Dave C. Azania.
Joshua L. Civilli.
Shandy Faith P. Villamor.
Bernadette C. Berania.
Hazel Marie M. Ibieta.
Joshua Jude C. Obaldo.
Red Jasper N. Plastado.
Maria Rachel M. Rojas.
Anne Patrice S. Bernardino.
Micaela John R. Sed.
Dewi Clayton O. Lansangan.
Juliana P. Riaso.
Raymond P. Bristol.
Alexa May A. Echeverria.
Alessandra T. Rabano.
Fiona May B. Buesa.
Mariel B. Rada.
Darlene Yvette B. Bassett.
Mary Joy T. Costales.
Gian T. Oshan.
Arian Marie A. Cantor.
Alexia Arazas.
Trixie Paula Bill Luciñada.
Marian Grace B. Bassett.
John Anton Mel T. Borselis.
Caitlin Joy G. De Los Santos.
Rochelle Ann A. Aguilar.
Kristen May O. Avante.
Albea Lynn D. Balanoyos.
Laika B. Avenue.
And Catherine May E. Azul.
We also have Kent Russell L. Melena.
Congratulations.
Jana May A. Dala. Congratulations to our President's Lister from Bicol University College of Social Sciences and Philosophy.
We would like to request the CSASC of the College of Arts and Letters,
Professor Duel Armen.
from the College of Arts and Letters, Francine V. Leona,
Ira May C. Madrideo.
Rose Ann V. Rampilio,
Donna D. Despabeladeras.
Claudia Esmaela B. Gaderpo,
Matthew Jericho Emmanuel G. Abanes.
Carl Justin T. Lasanas,
Ivan Rosario.
John Armand P. Senita,
Hyacinth Claire N. Hoxon.
Joanna G. Agripa,
Bertuldo B. Bueza Jr.
Ina Fem Francine S. Santander,
Kyla May O. Literal.
Joselito R. Reyes Jr.,
Rosel A. Fornoles.
Ralph Irol G. Villamor,
Cheska May A. Perez.
Chris K. T. Visaya,
Nems Micah A. Gutierrez.
Dylan Siniet Siv B. Tanchi,
John Patrick B. Secretario.
Sean Pistol L. Carmen,
Almira Joyce L. Nieva.
Nino G. Abisado,
Joy Elaine B. Codilla.
Vialin V. Benitez,
Lara Daniel P. Santo Domingo.
Jimmy Ray G. Nape,
Maria Chloe Jade R. Bornilla.
Nicole A. Fetalcorin,
Joyce S. Montile.
Giselle R. Barnedo,
John Rainiel B. Docot,
Nicolette Joy P. Valencia,
Sean Lariz R. Encinas,
Sidecha P. Pardinas,
Maria Sofia B. Belgar,
Cristina Marie B. Panday,
Maria Samantha L. Antiga,
Jashay A. Orozco,
Mark S. Arroyo,
Jevan Dex G. Miranda,
Joseph Benedict L. Bernardino,
Carl Ian Morrissey C. Ramos,
Jovin A. Leron,
Jerome Hope A. De La Puente,
Angelique K. A. Abelinde,
Mary Grace P. Lucilla,
Mary Artillery F. Villamor,
Angel Ann P. Bondoy,
Kyla Jane G. Pancho,
Sarah Jean A. Ventura,
Nina Cristel B. Patanao,
Althea O. Rapisura,
Danica Q. Atento,
Mary Joy Buelva,
John Hero Noseliado,
Romeo Jr. D. Jacob,
Lorenzo D. Andes,
J.B. Imperial,
Tristan Angelo B. Bitare,
Rizel S. Urbana,
Lorraine A. Luzuriaga,
J. Mark S. Beludo,
Dwayne Jared L. Pasadilla,
Christine Operiano,
Jamie Lou Estrada,
Mayona N. Aspa,
Princess V. Ruiz,
calling the CSASC of the College of Business Economics and Management.
We now would like to call in Ma'am Rachel Lorenaria and Ma'am Hannah Olivares to read the names for the awardees of the Bicol University College of Business Economics and Management.
To start with, we have Aaron Justin L. Aquino,
Lizette A. Peñarubia,
Maria Jamaica Perez,
Kathy A. Milena,
Rika A. Llaneta,
Jana R. Enano,
John Lee B. Figueras,
Eliza A. Selincio,
Harvey P. Pahara,
Kobe R. Barrios,
Kirsten E. Villanueva,
Sofia Faith A. Mamporte,
Eunice Claire B. Cañeta,
Jana Beatriz L. Benjola,
Dennis L. Lorica,
Trisha May O. Rojas,
Christine Joy L. Nieva,
Angela Eunice L. Sevilla,
Alvin D. Roberto,
Ginza Jet Franz R. Ramirez,
Justin Glee R. Gobres,
Nick Arnie M. Austria,
Jasmine Faith B. Blanco,
Venice May D. Baldon,
Haro J. M. Vera,
Melinda M. Mingol,
Brittany D. Bonto,
Angel Marie B. Sotelo,
Julian Lawrence O. Moratillo,
Deneza L. Medallon,
Justin B. Maravillas,
Eliza Shane A. Cuario,
Micaela T. Solano,
Christy B. Bilolo,
Aubrey Rose A. Regalado,
Von Harold R. Hermosa,
Micaela L. Alsagon,
Clarence M. Nocedo,
John Paul M. Robilios,
Ranchele B. Bulawan,
Isabel Sidney M. Bolaños,
Christopher M. Tumlos,
Nika N. Moyo,
Baby Joy L. Oquinerio,
Rain Andre P. Racal,
Feby Jones Ordez,
John Kevin N. Nibreja,
Shena Feby Marcaida,
Lady Angeline P. Llarena,
Verba Candice O. De La Vin,
Sheila May A. Barakel,
Cyril E. Zuniga,
Angeline N. Mapa,
Joseph Christian G. Lopez,
Danica O. Cardel,
K. M. Briones,
Syla May N. Lopez,
Pia C. Atos,
Chesa May B. Patriarca,
Jermaine G. Cruz,
Siti Aina M. Gadja,
Janelle B. Ocbina,
Rachel Ann S. Cerillo,
Angeline B. Bongalos,
Cyrene C. Balmaceda,
Angela May I. Monsalve,
Maria Laika F. Magaliano,
Justin B. Macarubo,
Jevelyn B. Biliudo,
Shiren Meden C. Ate,
Roxanne May G. Montero,
Gabriel O. Lucena,
John Charles S. Andes,
Maria Amor M. Garchitorena,
Abigail N. Segovia,
Micaela R. Rubio,
Tracy Ann D. Nipas,
Donna L. Manorinia,
B. Gonzales,
Maria Kyla Nicole B. Bernales,
Chari May Guades,
Francine Ann R. Madara,
Christine Ivana A. Brillantes,
Army Jaisal M. Bayona,
Sean Paul L. Bandola,
Gian Eve N. T.
Clarice E. Embido,
Leia A. Marceliana,
Samantha L. Atripa,
Neca Isabel R. Repasa,
Meryl Fatima E. Parcare,
Justin S. Nabor,
Mary Frances S. Liobit,
Kyle Angeline L. Ciatriz,
Maxim E. Roquid,
Jala C. Nuevo,
Marisa N. Marfil,
Julian Bien V. Enriquez,
Mary Grace B. Balona,
Divine B. Salomon,
Hazel M. Saguela,
Caseyline L. Mapolon,
Rika May M. Doses,
Arvin Chris B. Dabak,
Nathaniel E. Mirieles,
Harisa Maeve O. Ordan,
Mariela D. Montecastro,
Nicole C. Bon,
Jasmine M. Arcilia,
Zachary Mir T. Vibar,
Melody H. Pagaduan,
Shelo Carla M. Apurado,
Jenny Lou M. Solis,
Clares O. Nocete,
Aya M. Marchan,
Maria Joydeline D. Lumenario,
Larissa O. Liena,
Eloisa L. Apin,
Belia Nicole C. Watiwat,
Daniela D. Luzada,
Noni Rose N. Gonzaga,
Jesse John C. Credo Jr.,
Baby Princess M. Balang,
Jillian Ivy N. Moreno,
Nicole Francine Manalo,
Janil B. Lorico,
Pichi A. Locanyas,
Lian Joy L. Cervantes,
Ray Alexis R. Racal,
Alicia S. Otamias,
Judeline B. Nierba,
Joshua S. Bristol,
Jason M. Garcia,
Mark John B. Azuela,
Daniela Victoria G. Mayor,
Andrea A. Bonina,
Cecil O. Balbin,
Mary Glaze C. Quitason,
Paul Will Josly Monteclar,
Nerian Joy B. Frias,
Edward J. C. Velardo,
Janine Jassy B. Barcenas,
Jessery C. Barbosa,
Eliza Marie L. Boncodin,
Nika O. Otilia,
Izen Faye R. Arellano,
Mark Vincent T. Cambaren,
Sheila May G. Batalier,
Jeline O. Ocbian,
Ira B. Banania,
Kyla L. Verano,
Desiree E. Mostar,
Cheryl L. Peñaflor,
Grisel Andy Apainza,
Moreya Carmel P. Remoto,
Ranilyn N. Morales,
Farah S. Carulio,
Kyle Ivan C. Barakier,
Dariel M. Balingkit,
Judy A. Bondad,
Kathleen E. Agualio,
Tricia Joy R. Minyas,
Sofia Bianca P. Aike,
Annie Rose B. Acerado,
Princess L. de la Cruz,
Jelena Kyla A. Chua,
Pamela S. Rodriguez,
Eliza Marie O. Olaita,
Aldrich E. Aranya,
Tricia May D. Trilles,
Lea Olivia G. Cesar,
Christine L. Marciales,
Terence John A. Gonzalez,
Maria Juliana B. Mendones,
Danielin L. Nuez,
Antoinette P. Calios,
Lian Janine M. Magallanes,
J. M. De Jucos,
May Kyla N. Cleofe,
Lian Rhymes O. Oriarte,
Perlin N. Espirito,
Ann Jane M. Ludovic,
Mavel R. Velasco,
Lalaine M. Pacheco,
Geraldine G. Bermundo,
Joshua B. Osila,
Cherry Lou B. Bermas,
Alexa M. Monteriola,
Melinda A. Sabariza,
Krisa K. R. Lorica,
Angela N. Malihana,
Crisel Kate C. Salomon,
Syra M. Morada,
Bea L. Moyna,
Jason A. Herrero,
Angeline A. Apin,
Jana Angela C. Sadueste,
Rihanna May C. Rosario,
Kimberly L. Monforte,
Genevieve J. Mangubat,
Meg Kathleen B. Boridas,
Meryl May C. Lim,
Nika May C. Bustamante,
Irene M. Palima,
Mika M. Lomerio,
Razida Janina D. Abonan,
Medalyn C. Centino,
Jason Vincent B. Canyo,
Josan Lynn Daphne B. Arroyo,
Gian L. Loveres,
Reshely Hart H. Arabaca,
Kea Marie C. Bonita,
Abigail L. Mabini,
Christian A. Abesh,
Yolo C. Belier,
Ashley Nicole B. Hintalan,
Alexa Jean A. Garofil,
Mylen B. Barcenan,
Patricia Ann A. Rico,
Noemi M. Maravillo,
J.C. Riola,
Moira Sequitin,
Jasmine D. Baricoron,
Jonah M. Advincula,
Jonathan M. Masinas,
Hazel L. Lorilia,
C. Coral,
Maria Sofia Faye B. Ranoco,
Evelyn M. Lisay,
Marites O. Pantoja, Limuel Mabini,
Faye Ann A. Sabater,
Giselle A. Portugal,
Erica B. Aringo,
Helen M. Masinas,
Ana Marie C. Herrera,
Crisabel Pion Osana,
Diane A. Alejo,
Ashley Rain R. Nales,
Sheila B. Arganda,
Joey A. Alcantara,
Errol A. Bitangkur,
Kyla Marie G. Palmejano,
Jade Ann Lopez,
Pamela Jane P. Manjares,
Lizette A. Liandelar,
Grishane May M. Guanizo,
Tracy Joy L. Lopez,
Jessica M. Manriza,
Julian N. Barrientos,
Jairus Alexis A. Rico,
Kenneth Rick S. Peralta,
David M. Cesista,
April May Gaviria,
Shakira Shiracel E. Landicho,
Roger B. De La Torre,
Gia Isabel M. Codornis,
Jonaline A. Balon,
Jaresa May N. Salian,
Cindy M. Mirafuentes,
Nika Shane A. Bueza,
Loisa P. Pelojero,
Kimberly S. Saison,
Kathleen A. Castillo,
Mary Joy L. Consorte,
Colleen L. Alunan,
Francis Benedict Serra,
Kay Antoinette G. Samar,
Kyla Bianca L. Mamites,
Yuri T. Kusaka,
Crisel R. Nuda,
Jasmine Rose A. Gaviria,
Princess JC A. Delara,
Thea Joy D. De Los Santos,
Ninya Nicole Espayos,
Sofia Cyrene L. Diaz,
Jethro Inigo A. Betujo,
Grace Joy L. Salvacion,
May O. Bon,
Regine B. Niebres,
Gemavine U. Refe,
Lia Nicole S. Bejo,
Hazel C. Ceres,
Jorena Sabaria,
Adrian B. Echaluce,
Maria Rijan Nina A. Oliva,
Karil June Erlinda D. Bue,
Jessica Faye E. Moran,
Mariel C. Marfil,
Jayan Sidney M. Llames,
Shira May C. Bonaobra,
Joy Morato,
Rochelle Joyce V. Gomez,
Stephen Michael A. Takilin,
Liza May L. Maravilla,
Joyce Veronica D. Daem,
Micaela Joy E. Bon,
Hershey Kid P. Linga,
John Joshua B. Gados,
Melba B. Flora,
Anna May C. Gado,
Chemary M. Morota,
Francesca Madeleine Soncuya,
Oscar M. Pura Jr.,
Daniela C. Botalon,
Trisha Guaynet Bootan,
Nelsie C. Baldres,
Melody R. Albar,
Rain Alexa M. Cañas,
James Paul S. Samarista,
Angelica V. Marinay,
Josephine A. Briones,
Ivy Dayan Musa,
Hannah Junesa Boras,
Christine May B. Lorica,
Jefferson B. Morada,
Annalyn M. Austria,
Angel May B. Calica,
Rica Daniel M. Mercado,
Maria Regina D. Diaz,
Tyrone Kane L. Lawit,
Ariana May E. Fernicol,
Nicole J. Bordeos,
Andrea Glycel B. R. Barameda,
Dina S. Orlando,
Mary Rose B. Berha,
Maria Alchesca May Opinguar,
Trisha Angela Zay Biron,
Rachel Camille T. Arado,
Kyla Joy G. Baliwas,
Christine Leia T. Omnes,
James B. Balueta,
Elmer Lisa A. Lianeta,
Mika Joy L. Julianda,
Cecil C. Cruzana,
Joanne B. Bandola,
Antoinette Sequitin,
Jumel Kervy C. De La Cruz,
Ruela Crisca D. Rional,
Jenny B. Barcelon,
Sofia Sena G. Penis,
Maria Francesca Angelica A. Dominguez,
Brian J. G. Tolosa,
Xavier Vincent A. Arbo,
Lizelle B. Losabia,
Laila M. Lea,
Zarina May R. Carlos,
Hannah Marie R. Sario,
Joy C. Nolasco,
Naomi Hannah Joy F. Sanin,
Patrick Gerard A. Gabito,
Garil B. Nate,
Aliyah Vianney B. Eduarte,
Christian L. Olivas,
Patricia Erica S. Javierto,
John Chris P. Villamor,
Emmanuel Gerard M. Punzalan,
Rhea Guainet B. Saminiano,
Lester A. Loria,
Maria Isel Joy A. Dehumo,
Mark Joseph Lodana,
Samantha Marie C. Revilla,
Louis J. Q. Labong,
Jamil Atasha T. Rodrigueza,
Miko Angelo G. Pacamara,
Dance Jo Marie J. Latco,
John Edward M. Canon,
April Joyce R. Rivera,
Kyle Emil E. Esparago,
May Shane L. Avila,
Albert M. Pedres,
Maria Teresa G. Gutierrez,
Anne Fabriel M. Cadawas,
Jelay Macy Buendia,
Sherin L. Mangampo,
Shanti L. Cervantes,
John Marco A. Campillos,
Jethro C. Alipar,
Samaria R. Mabar,
Donna May N. Longasa,
Alisa May L. Barcoma,
Lynette D. Neptuno,
John Lloyd C. Diaz,
Rich Steve A. Perez,
Rachel Ann D. Borja,
Missy P. Pasqua,
Pauline U. Manata,
Jovi Cristal S. Herrera,
Carl Vincent A. Sevilla,
Rogeline E. Pautan,
Janelle D. Monterde,
Sofia Isabel E. Lopez,
Keith Chester Aguila,
Jelmar E. Buergo,
Vincent Roan L. Holo,
Robert D. Gallardo,
Chrissy Fiel H. Hamor,
Francis May B. De Vera,
Nika M. Tamayo,
Jericho N. Maravillas,
Micaela Angela B. Pupa,
Vincent Lance B. Samson,
Alona Jade M. Obrique,
Janice M. De Lima,
Trisha B. Medalyada,
John Martin D. Lopez,
Stephanie Nicole R. Balane,
Erica Nina B. Galliano,
Jolene A. Vargas,
Mary Gabriel B. Abisado. Congratulations.
Reminding those who arrive late at the venue, you may just claim your certificate at the secretariat. I think this is nandito po sa ating kanto. And likewise, we'd like to take this opportunity to award the most outstanding cultural performer for the academic year 2024-2025. Allow me to call on from the Bachelor of Physical Education of the BUIPSR, Sean Therese R. Fantastico. Ma'am Jan? Congratulations and thank you very much as well to those who were with us all throughout the awarding ceremony of the President's List.
Again, to our BU officials, deans and directors, and College Students Affairs and Services Coordinator, thank you very much. So that concludes our morning ceremonies. Sa muli, congratulations to all our awardees. So to close this segment, let us all stand for the singing of the Bicol University hymn, to be assisted by the Bicol University Marching Band and to be sung by the Bicol University Choral.
Oh, we wish to sing all the schools in honor and redeem. A temple built by man of hand, there's someone for you to walk with pride. For he will always be united, although we travel distant lands. We all shall cherish what you taught us to all hearts and in more. Since he burns torch of wisdom, vows of courage, hope and love, seed of truth and light. Bicol University, burning torch of wisdom, down to marriage, open the
Thank you once again for joining us in the celebration of the achievements of our outstanding students and awardees. We wish you all a wonderful day ahead. Mabuhay ang Bicol University! Mabuhay ang ating awardees!
Ladies and gentlemen, the recessional.